Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue class 10th mathematics quadratic equation extra question. This is the part 2 of extra questions related to quadratic equation. In the previous video we have solved the questions, that is part 1. Now let us move for the part 2. The first question of part 2 is, if the roots of the equation they have given a square plus b square into x square, plus they have given, that is plus 2 into BC minus AD into x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0. So compared to standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is equal to, so what is the value of a square plus b square. Then what is the value of b? So b is 2 into bc minus ad. So now you multiply this one, that is equal to b is equal to 2bc minus 2ad. Then c is equal to c square plus d square. Then if the roots are equal and they have given, then delta is equal to 0. So delta is equal to discriminant of the quadratic equation. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Delta is 0. 0 is equal to b square is 2bc minus 2ad whole square minus 4 into a. So a is a square plus b square into c is c square plus d square, which is equal to 0. Sorry, already I have written 0 here. So now it is in the form of a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square 2 square b square c square plus b square 2 square a square d square minus 2 into a is 2bc into b is 2ad minus 4 into a square into c square, a square c square, then a square into d square, a square d square, then plus b square into c square, b square c square, plus b square into d square, b square d square, which is equal to 0. So now if I write 2 square will become 4b square c square plus 2 square become 4 a square d square minus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 a b c d. Now from minus 4 you multiply everything. Minus 4 into a square c square minus 4 a square c square minus into plus is minus 4 a square d square is 4 a square d square minus into plus is minus 4 b square c square minus 4 b square d square, which is equal to 0. So now here plus 4a square d square minus 4a square d square will get cancelled. Then anything, then plus 4b square c square minus 4b square c square will get cancelled. Then what else is remaining? So remaining is minus 4 a square c square, then minus 4 b square d square, then minus 8 a b c d, which is equal to 0. So now you take minus 4 as common. If I take minus 4 as common, a square c square. If I take minus, then this minus become plus b square d square. Then this minus become plus 4 2s are 8 a, that is 2 a b c d, which is equal to 0. If I bring minus 4 to the denominator of 0, then 0 by minus 4 is 0. Then what is remaining? A square c square plus 2 a b c d plus b square d square, which is equal to 0. Now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. It is in the form of a, this is a square and this is b square. So a square is equal to a square c square. Then a is equal to ac. B square is equal to, what is B square? B square D square. Then B is equal to BD. So now this is A is AC, B is BD. This is in the form of A square plus 2AB plus B square, which can be written as A plus B whole square. A means AC plus B means BD. AC plus BD whole square, which is equal to 0. You remove square and you put square root. So square root of 0 is 0. Then what is the remaining? AC plus BD, which is equal to 0. So AC plus BD is equal to 0. That we have to show it. So in the question they asked, show that AC plus BD is equal to 0. So like this we have to solve this question. So we got AC plus BD, which is equal to 0. So now let us move for question number 2. If one root of the equation x plus 4 into x minus 3 is equal to 0 is minus 4, then find the another root of the equation. So one root they have given, x plus 4 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. So now x plus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 4. That means, so he given x is equal to minus 4. That means I have equated x plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, we got x is equal to minus 4. So, this one also equate to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 3. Therefore, another root of the given equation is x is equal to minus 3. So, like this, we have to find out another root of the given equation. So now let us move for the next question. The altitude of a triangle is 6 centimeter more than its base. Area is given as 108 centimeter square. Now we have to find out the base and the height of the triangle. So area 108. So let base be x centimeter. If base is x, then altitude in the sense height will be 6 centimeter more than the breadth. Therefore, height is equal to x plus 6 centimeter. Now, let us find out what is the base and what is the height. So, we know that area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So, area is equal to 108, which is equal to half into base is x into height is x plus 6. So x into x will become x square plus x into 6 will become 6x is equal to 108 into 2. So now x square plus 6x is equal to 216. So x square plus 6x plus 216 become minus 216, which is equal to 0. If you multiply any two numbers, you have to get minus 216. If you add or subtract, you have to get plus 6. Therefore, one is 18, another one is 12. 18 12s are 216 and 18 minus 12 is 6. So, if you want to get plus 6, for bigger number plus and smaller number minus, plus into minus is minus. 18 12s are 216 plus 18 minus 12 will be equal to plus 6. So now x square plus 6x can be written as 18x minus 12x minus 216 is equal to 0. These two one group and these two one group. So common x remaining x plus 18 minus 12 common remaining is x plus 18, which is equal to 0. So x plus 18 is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 18. Then x minus 12 is equal to 0. X is equal to 12. So now we got x we have taken as base. So base will be never, it will be never minus. So therefore x is equal to 12. Therefore let us write here. So base is equal to x. X is equal to 12 centimeter. Therefore the base of the triangle is 12 centimeter. If base is 12, then height will be 6 centimeter more than the base, that is equal to 12 plus 6, which is equal to 18 centimeter. Therefore base is 12 centimeter and height is 18 centimeter. So like this we have to solve question number 3. Now let us move for question number 4. So in question number 4, they asked that by selling an article for rupees 18.75, a person loses as much percent as it cost him in rupees. Find the cost price of the article. So now let us write here first sentence. Let the CP of an article, let the cost price of an article be rupees X. We don't know what is the cost price of an article. Let us take the cost price of an article as X. Then what they have given? They have given the selling price. So SP is equal to rupees 18.75. That is 18.75 can be written as, so 0.75 can be written as 3 by 4. That is equal to 18 fours are 72 plus 3, 75 by 4. So selling price will be equal to rupees 75 by 4. He told that a person loses as much percent as it cost price. That is percentage loss is equal to cost price, which is equal to X. Because cost price is X and percentage loss is also X. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 5 rupees ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಸೊ ಲಾಸು ಕೂಡ 5% ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 10 rupees ಇದ್ರೆ 10% ಲಾಸು. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು 20 rupees ಇದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಲಾಸು 20%. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸು ಕೂಡ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೌ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟು ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಪಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಈಗ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ ಪಿ ಇಂಟು 100. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲಾಸ್? ಲಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಪಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ. So loss is equal to CP is X minus SP. SP is 75 by 4. So now percentage loss. What is the percentage loss? X is equal to, what is loss? X minus 75 by 4 divided by CP is X into 100. So now you bring X here. So X into X is equal to 100 into X, 100X minus 75 by 4 into 100. 4 ones are 425s. So now what will be the remaining? X into X, X square is equal to 100X minus, now 75 into 25. 25 5s are 125, get 5, 12 carry. 25 7s are 175. 175 plus 12 is 187. So 1875. So bring to standard form. X square minus 100x plus 1875 is equal to 0. So now let us factorize it now. So what we got? X square then minus 100x, x square minus 100x plus 1875, which is equal to 0. If you multiply any two number, you have to get plus 1875. If you add or subtract, you have to get minus 100. One is minus 75, another one is minus 25. Minus into minus is plus. 75 25s are 1875. Minus 75 minus 25 is minus 100. So x square, this 100x can be written as minus 75x minus 25x plus 1875, which is equal to 0. These two one group and these two one group. So now you take x as common. What is the remaining? X minus 75 minus 25 common. remaining is x minus 75 which is equal to 0. So x minus 75 is common to both and remaining is x minus 25 which is equal to 0. So now x minus 75 is equal to 0, x is equal to 75. X minus 25 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 25. So both we got the positive values. So ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ನೇ ಬಂದಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಈಗ ಹಾಕೋಣ. So if the cost price is equal to x is equal to rupees 75, if cost price is rupees 75, then percentage loss is equal to 75%. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅಥವಾ ಆರ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು rupees 25, if cost price is rupees 25, then loss is equal to 25%. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಇಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ 75, ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ 75%. ಇಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ 25, ದೆನ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಈಸ್ 25%. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಲಾಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ, ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 157. ಸೊ let the square of one let the area of one square is a square, let the area of another square is b square, add them. So a square plus b square is equal to 157. You call it as equation 1. Then sum of their perimeters. So sum of their perimeters anta kottiyene. So perimeter of first square is 4a and perimeter of second square is 4b. If you add these two, it will be equal to 68. 4 ಕಾಮನ್ ತೆಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು a plus b which is equal to 68. So a plus b is equal to 68 by 4. So a plus b is equal to 4 17s are 68. So a is equal to 17 plus b become minus b. You call it as 2. Now you take equation 1. So a square plus b square is equal to 157. Now a means 17 minus b. So a square means 17 minus b whole square plus b square is equal to 157. So a minus b whole square, a square 17 square plus b square minus 2 into a is 17 into b is b plus b square is equal to 157. So b square plus b square will become 2b square minus 2 17s become 34b plus 17 square will be equal to 289 is equal to 157. So now 2b square minus 34b plus 289, then you bring this side, it will become minus 157 which is equal to 0. So 2b square minus 34b, subtract now among these two, this is bigger plus. So 9 minus 7 is 2, 8 minus 5 is 3, so 2 minus 1 is 1 which is equal to 0. So now let us factorize this one. Let us divide it by 2. ಇದನ್ನ 2 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. If I divide it by 2, so b square is remaining, 2 17s are 34b, 2 6 are 12, then again 2 6 are 12 which is equal to 0. If you multiply you have to get 66. If you add or subtract you have to get minus 17. Then let us see which is those two number. Multiply 66, add or subtract minus 17, minus 11 minus 6. Minus into minus is plus, so 11 6 are 66. Minus 11 minus 6 is minus 17. So b square minus 11b minus 6b plus 66 is equal to 0. These two common, these two one pair and these two one pair. b common, remaining b minus 11, minus 6 common, then remaining is b minus 11 which is equal to 0. b minus 11 is equal to 0, b is equal to 11. Or b minus 6 is equal to 0, b is equal to 6. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಈಗ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊತೀನಿ, ಬಿ ಏನಾದರೂ 11 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ 11 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟ್ರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, then a will become 17 minus b, which is equal to 17 minus 11. Therefore a become 6 centimeter. So in case if I take b is equal to 6 centimeter, then what will be the a become? A is equal to 17 minus b. A is equal to 17 minus b is 6. A is equal to 11 centimeter. If breadth is 11, then if b is 11, then a will be 6. If b is 6, then a will be 11.